Nowadays, educational institutions today are struggling with scattered systems, inefficient communication channels, delayed decision making, unverified data, and rising parent expectations. Manual processes are slowing down growth, internal teams are overloaded, and classroom experiences are becoming inconsistent. Educational institutions continue to rely on that same manual attendance. Schools, still relying on manual attendance, lose valuable instructional time and struggle to maintain accurate records. This creates compliance issues and slows down academic processes. Student behavior analysis for counseling. Without continuous behavior tracking, teachers miss early warning signs, making counseling reactive instead of preventive. This results in unresolved student issues that escalate over time. Parent concerns about their kids. Parents remain anxious due to the lack of real time updates on their child's safety, progress, and daily activities. The communication gap reduces trust and increases dissatisfaction. Staff workload in billing, accounts, admissions, and record keeping administrative teams are overloaded with repetitive manual tasks, data entry errors, and fragmented systems. This slows down operations, affects accuracy, and reduces overall institutional efficiency.
Introducing Edubotix.AI, the platform designed to solve the critical challenges modern educational institutions struggle with. Our platform provides a complete, integrated solution that empowers your institution to move faster, operate smarter, and stay ahead of every operational and academic demand.
Attendance. Edubotix.AI automates attendance with instant, accurate capture that saves time and removes manual errors. Administrators gain real-time visibility across all classes and departments. Transport management. Track buses live with real-time location updates, along with automatic student boarding and deboarding notifications for complete safety and transparency. Behavior analysis and hygiene. Detection. AI-driven behavior insights help identify patterns early for timely counseling, while hygiene detection ensures student safety and compliance within the campus. Digital dashboard. A unified digital dashboard provides real-time academic, operational, and administrative data for faster decisions and improved school-wide performance. Our platform includes an intelligent assistant professor that delivers personalized answers based on each student's board, class, and learning level. It simplifies complex topics into clear, tailored explanations that match the student's cognitive capability, ensuring deeper understanding and stronger academic confidence. Let's manage and convert inquiries with an organized, automated lead system. Timetable management. Auto-generate error-free timetables for teachers and classes. Manage assessments. Plan, assign, and track assessments with structured workflows. Online exams. Conduct secure, seamless online examinations end-to-end. Submit assignments. Students can upload assignments digitally for instant tracking. Practice question bank. Provide students with an extensive bank of practice questions. Evaluate their progress. Real-time performance reports help track individual growth. Virtual meeting. Conduct online classes and parent meetings with integrated video tools. Message center. Centralized communication for teachers, parents, and students. Activity planner. Plan and schedule school activities with complete visibility. Library management. Digitize book inventory, issue logs, and returns for smooth operations. We also bring NBFC supported fee management, offering flexible EMI options for parents and timely fee collection for schools.
Edubotix.AI stands as a pioneer in delivering advanced AI solutions for school management, leading a true revolution in modern education. We empower schools and students to digitize, grow, and transform their future, helping them build careers that reach new heights. Together, let's create a smarter, stronger, and more successful educational journey. Experience the transformation yourself with Edubotix.AI's free 15-day trial.